India mi ka channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi. Ka United Taekwondo Academy hapo ka jingdon lang jong ka Meghalaya Taekwondo Association kaladep ban penlong ka first Meghalaya United Taekwondo Championship jong kisop juniors but cadets kabalalong arsngi kata haka khatsau tarik bat khatsan tarik mentau benai nopra bat laya simenta kumba lais pangut ki khana na baro kawe ka jala lawan ban pli ka championship da uba Christopher Rani da ka jingdon lang u president jong ka Meghalaya Taekwondo Association Sir Matthew Momin General Secretary Meghalaya Taekwondo Association Sir Jadu Moni Singh President United Taekwondo Academy Kong Victoria Sobha General Secretary United Taekwondo Academy Kong Isabella Sobha Treasurer United Taekwondo Academy Kong Avelda Dingdo Bat Kiwe ya ka tournament lapan kutno hinin kasngi ka khatsan tarik no pra arjan arpsau bat ka tournament klalong kabayaj bet ya jerti bat ka bajob
Sir Christopher Rani is a businessman. Sir Matthew C.H. Women, President of MTA. Sir Jadumini, General Secretary of MTA. Coaches, referees, parents and everyone present here on this. The first Meghalaya United Taekwondo Championship, organized by United Taekwondo Academy under the guidance of Meghalaya Taekwondo Association, which start today the 14th and conclude tomorrow, the 15th. Before we start with the tournament, let us pray to God that He will protect each one of us here, especially our players, that God will protect them from any injuries and they could play fairly with the spirit of sportsmanship. Now I request you all to please stand up and put your hands over your heart and let us pray together for a few seconds within our heart. Thank you. Now I would like to give a special thanks to our chief guest, Sir Christopher Rani, Sir Matthew Momin, our special guest, Jadubani Sir, who has given their precious time to be together with us in this tournament. Now I wish all.
Good evening. Good afternoon, sir.
Let us all keep a moment of silence as a mark of a tribute to all mighty soul of Taekwondo Grandmaster, late Sir Luthre Lohar, late President Sir Eugene Marak, and the coach, late Suraj Thapa. May their soul rest in peace.